Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you guys are doing great. Well, this reading is for Cancer. Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising. Your sun sign describes your soul, your moon sign describes your emotions, and your rising sign describes physical you. And all these three makes up who you are. So let's begin the reading. I'm gonna see what is the energy. What is your energy? What is your person's energy? And what is it that you guys need to focus with the oracle? Okay, starting with the tarot, and all the messages are not going to resonate with you, of course, because it's a general reading, so just take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay, all right. Angels, Spirit Guides, Universe, please show me, what do we have for Cancer? What is Cancer's? What is Cancer's energy? All right. Okay. Okay, so I can see that there is this it's time for you where you're deciding what to. This is basically a time for a major change, okay? The divine is asking you to make a decision because this is the right time for the decision, okay? Definitely there is this old baggage you're carrying right now, but the divine has a message for you to get rid of that baggage and move on, okay? You might feel that, you know, people are playing behind your back. There's a possibility that you cannot see things clearly, okay? There's a vibe of getting things the wrong way, as in you're not getting the actual picture. You cannot see the actual picture. Okay, spirits, show me please, what is Cancer's person's energy? What is Cancer's person's energy? Okay. Four of Pentacles, King of Swords. Please show me more. Spirits, please show me more. The Chariot in reverse. Okay. So your person is somebody who is this is somebody who knows where they're spending, and it's a careful spender basically, okay? With the King of Swords, it could be an air sign, okay? Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. We have Cancer. Yeah, okay. So your person is actually a very slow moving energy because this person has fears with regards to their past, just like you, okay? You are still carrying the baggage. Well, when this person is not that carrying anything, but they have this fear of something bad happens in the relationship, okay? Okay, what's going on? What's going on in the relationship? Sorry. All right. So this is the energy of thinking too much, okay? Having sleepless nights. Maybe some of you are not even talking to each other. There are conflicts in the past, and you have been working on yourself. Oops. You have been working on yourself, okay? You had to go through those dark nights and everything, all right? But finally, you're moving on to the calmer waters. You're feeling better. Okay. Now there's this time when your vision has something. You have a goal. All right. Let's see what do we have in the oracle for you. Angel, Spirit, Guides, Universe, please show me what do we have for Cancer. What do we have for Cancer, spirits? Angel, Spirit, Guides, Universe, what do we have for Cancer? Okay. We have disconnect and boredom. Okay. What else? Spirits, please show me what else for Cancer. Okay, so we have recognition and reward. Okay. Give me one more, please. Spirits, please give me one more for Cancer. Suffering in silence. Okay. So whatever it is that you are dealing with right now, whatever it is that that is making you feel disconnected from the world somewhere, or you think you're suffering in the silence, the divine is recognizing that, number one. Number two, you will be rewarded for that. Okay. Show me Cancer's person's energy. What is Cancer's person's energy? What's going on in their headspace? Alright. So we have financial and material changes, obstacles and challenges, and moving on. Okay. So whoever you're dealing with is either they have already moved on, they're planning to move on, or they need to or they will be, there's a need to move on. Okay. This person is financially broken. I see them financially broken with and they have been dealing with a lot of obstacles and challenges within the relationship. Okay. What is going to be the outcome of this relationship? Material and spiritual prosperity. Okay. So, if you do as it is required to do, moving on, your person moves on, and you tap more into your spiritual side, that's where you're going to get your prosperity. Okay. Yeah. And that's all I have for you, Cancer. I hope to see you guys next week. Take care till then. Bye bye.